So I've got my guitar strap here. Before I go into the details of this, I just did want to show you what it does come with. So we do have some guitar picks here, really nice looking. And on here it is labeled with the seller's name, and this is a medium pick. This one over here is a thin pick. And then we got a heavy pick is what they're calling it. So just nice and thick. These are all celluloid, really nice and colorful. I like that. And it does come with two of these little rubber grommets. These actually go over your strap buttons. So that way you can put this on top of your strap here just to make sure this doesn't come off if you want to go ahead and use that. And then we've also got the strap itself. Very nice and colorful. This is actually 3 inches wide, and this can be adjusted anywhere from 51 inches all the way up to 57 inches. We've got this light brown right here in the center and the darker brown on the outside. The stitching is super nice, looks fantastic through here. And then on the back side, this is actually padded all through here, so that's really good to have the strap. And depending on what kind of guitar you have, like for instance, I have an acoustic guitar, so I don't have a strap button at the front. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this, put it around my headstock, and that way I'm going to secure that. And I'll do that here in just a minute. And then on the bottom side here, or on the back side, this is actually what you would call the ladder. And then we've got the tailpiece. I've already got the tailpiece in here. I'm going to take that out in a minute and just kind of show you how I'd go ahead and put it through here. But you can adjust this tailpiece here depending on the length that you need. And it actually has 2 holes right here for your strap buttons. So when I have the tailpiece here, I'm actually going to have it upside down, which is on this side. I'm going to feed it through the ladder here. You're just going to pick a part here, and you may have to play with it a couple times to get to the right adjustment. I'm going to pull it through here. I just picked this one arbitrarily. You could put it on any of these. Then I'm going to feed it back through here. This is the bottom side. I'm going to feed the tail through here. So it's just like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and start feeding it through the rungs. And depending on if you go through every single rung, that just really depends on the length that you need. So I've just done it just like this, but of course you can do it, weave it through all of them, and it'll look really nice that way. But there you go. And then I've got 2 little button holes right here to attach this to my guitar. So I've got my strap attached up here to my headstock since I don't have a button up here because it is an acoustic. Then on the back side here on the bottom, I've got my strap attached to my button there. But you can see here what it looks like from the front and the back. I love the color here. It really matches my guitar. And I love that it comes with all these different picks too. So it's got everything I need. Hope you found this review helpful.